Concrete Pumping Newtown CT delivers efficient concrete pumping for residential concrete pumping Newtown CT and commercial concrete pumping Newtown Connecticut projects that need precision concrete placement, custom concrete placement, and fast pump and pour service. As a local concrete pump contractor Newtown CT, the team handles ready mix delivery, mixed concrete delivery, and construction concrete pumping for everything from foundation concrete pumping to slab pour pumping. Whether the job calls for a concrete pump truck, line pump concrete, or boom pump service, Newtown CT concrete pump truck support helps move concrete exactly where it is needed with an on-site concrete pump operator and a concrete placement contractor focused on clean, accurate results. Concrete Pumping Newtown CT service is ideal for high-rise concrete placement, commercial concrete pumping Newtown Connecticut, and larger site concrete pumping in Newtown CT where reach, speed, and lift matter most. A concrete pump truck paired with efficient concrete pumping methods can reduce labor, limit delays, and improve precision concrete placement across complex pours. For contractors needing a Connecticut concrete pumping contractor with dependable boom pump service, this solution supports concrete pumping services in Newtown, Connecticut, as well as surrounding jobs in Bethel, Southbury, Danbury area concrete pumping, and Fairfield County concrete pump service locations. Foundation Concrete Pumping Newtown Connecticut is a strong fit for basement foundation pumping Newtown CT, slab foundation pump service Newtown CT, and residential concrete pumping Newtown CT where strength and consistency matter from the ground up. With Newtown Connecticut foundation pumping, crews can use a concrete transfer hose and line pump concrete setup for tight forms, lower level walls, and footing pours. This type of pump and pour service supports hard-to-reach concrete pumping Newtown CT while keeping the pour controlled, efficient, and suited for homes, additions, and new builds across Newtown, Connecticut. Driveway concrete pumping Newtown CT is often the best choice for homeowners and builders who need narrow access concrete pumping without damaging landscaping, patios, or existing structures. A Newtown CT line pump service can deliver concrete through a concrete transfer hose to long, narrow, or obstructed driveways with less mess and better placement control. From driveway concrete pumping Newtown Connecticut to sidewalk concrete placement Newtown Connecticut, the right concrete placement contractor helps ensure even flow, better finish quality, and reliable ready mix delivery coordination for residential projects across the area. Pool deck concrete pumping Newtown CT and basement concrete pumping are both ideal applications for precise, efficient concrete pumping in homes with limited access or complex layouts. A boom pump service or Newtown CT line pump service can support pool deck concrete pumping Newtown CT, basement foundation pumping Newtown CT, and residential concrete pumping in confined spaces where wheelbarrows and traditional methods fall short. For property owners seeking a concrete pour contractor in Newtown CT, this approach improves speed, accuracy, and overall site cleanup while supporting custom concrete placement for unique residential designs. Commercial concrete pumping Newtown CT requires dependable scheduling, fast mixed concrete delivery, and the ability to manage large volume pours with minimal disruption. From site concrete pumping in Newtown CT to high-rise concrete placement, a concrete pump truck and trained on-site concrete pump operator help maintain continuous flow and precise placement. Local builders, developers, and general contractors in Newtown, Bethel, Southbury, and the greater Fairfield County area rely on concrete pumping services in Newtown, Connecticut for commercial slabs, structural pours, and large-scale project coordination. Retaining wall concrete pumping Newtown CT is another specialty that benefits from accurate line pump concrete placement and a flexible concrete transfer hose for tight formwork and elevation changes. Whether the job involves retaining wall pour work, sidewalk concrete pumping, or slab foundation pump service Newtown CT, a Newtown CT concrete pump truck can deliver the concrete exactly where it is needed. This kind of construction concrete pumping helps maintain form integrity, supports better finish results, and keeps labor efficient on projects that require careful control and dependable timing. Hard-to-reach concrete pumping Newtown CT is essential for jobs with fencing, wooded lots, steep grades, or limited vehicle access. A local concrete pump contractor, Newtown CT, can use narrow access concrete pumping strategies, boom pump service options, or line pump concrete setups to complete residential concrete pumping Newtown CT and commercial concrete pumping Newtown Connecticut efficiently. From concrete pumping Newtown CT to northeast concrete placement Newtown CT, the focus stays on moving ready mix delivery into position quickly for foundations, pools, driveways, patios, and other challenging pours. For sidewalk concrete placement Newtown Connecticut, pool deck concrete pumping Newtown CT, and driveway concrete pumping Newtown Connecticut, efficient concrete pumping helps reduce waste, improve placement, and support a cleaner finish. Contractors looking for a concrete placement contractor in Newtown, Connecticut can count on pump and pour service that coordinates with ready mix delivery, mixed concrete delivery, and construction concrete pumping needs. Whether the project is in Newtown CT ready mix pumping, Bethel and Newtown concrete pumping, or Southbury CT concrete pump services, the result is smoother workflow and more accurate concrete placement. Commercial and residential projects alike benefit from a concrete pump truck that can handle foundation concrete pumping, slab pour pumping, and custom concrete placement with less manual handling. Newtown CT boom pump service and Newtown CT line pump service give builders options for large reaches, small access points, and varied site conditions across Newtown, Connecticut. From concrete pumping services in Newtown, Connecticut to Fairfield County concrete pump service and Danbury area concrete pumping, a qualified concrete placement contractor helps deliver precision concrete placement on time and on spec.